Okay, guys, I want to explain when you have a case of a future value annuity. Okay, future value annuity is a copy, is the right hand side of present value annuity. It's just that the formulas are different. So now I want you guys to imagine this formula, because this formula you need to know when to apply it and how to apply it. Okay, and when to adjust it and how to adjust it. All right. And then so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the timeline. Okay, so this formula assumes that, okay, first, future value annuities, when you're making a constant investments or constant deposits into an account, being yearly or monthly, constant, same amount, it should be the same. That's why I've got X there. Okay, but now it now take me to the conditions here. It assumes that you've got X payment every year or deposit. Okay, every period. Okay, every period, consistently. Okay, consistently. Okay, so the consistent applies to the period as well. You can't make yearly and then you make monthly in the same investment to apply that formula. And also that it assumes that this payment happens at the end of the period. End of the period. This is the assumption of that formula. Okay, that means you are here at year 0, you're gonna make your first X there, your second X, your third X. Okay, that's how you apply that formula. Then the rest, guys, you then should know how to work it out, because n should be the number of periods. Okay, my focus was on just this part. But now what happens if you're making immediate payment, like you're making payment now, meaning your payment is happening at the beginning? As we speak, we are making a payment. Okay, I want you guys to see the difference now. Okay, here is the thing. Now what you do is, here, guys, you apply this formula. When you apply this formula, you are taking that X, this X, you take it to the end of the period, all of them to the end of the period, all of them. Okay, look, when you take this one to the end, you're gonna have X into 1 plus I. Okay, that's why now you've got your new X there as X1 plus I. All of them, you're doing that for you to apply this formula. But something is gonna happen with this one, because you want at the end of 4 years. Okay, you don't want at the end of 6 years. Then this one, you have to add the last payment, because you can't take it to the end of 6 years. Okay, very, 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 very important. Unless there is no payment here, because this is happening at the beginning of 4 years is here. But if there is a payment also at the end of 4 years, then you have to add that X. But if there is no payment at the end of 4 years, it's just at the beginning of 4 years, then you don't add that one. That is on condition that there is a payment at the end of 4 years, last payment. So your last payment is at the end, okay, of 4 years. Okay, that is when. But other than that, you don't have that part. Okay, if the payment, your last payment, is at the beginning of 4 years. This is very important, guys, because the formulas will be there in your formula sheets, but you need to know how to use them and utilize them. Thank you so much.